All right, 7th grade, lesson 29, section 19, multiplying and dividing exponents. Make sure you have your cheat sheet because this is going to help you out. All right, number 72. We have 7 to the power of 6 divided by 7 to the power of 4. Now remember when you are dividing and both of the exponents are positive, you're going to subtract. Keep the base and subtract. Okay, and this is if the base is the same, which for our purposes, most of them will be, with the exception of number 74, and we'll handle that when we get there. So keep the base, 7. 6 minus 4 is 2. Your answer is 7 squared for number 72. All right, number 73 says 2 to the power of 6 times 2 to the power of 9. When you are multiplying two exponential expressions and they have the same base, you're going to add the exponents and keep the base. So 2 to the power of 15 is the answer for number 73. Number 74 is a little bit different. You have 5 to the negative 4 times 3 to the negative 4. Here, your exponent is going to stay the same, but you're going to multiply the bases together. So your exponent will stay the same. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay? So these two, when your exponent is the same, the exponent stays, and then you multiply the bases. So 5 times 3 is 15, negative 4 stays the same. That's one of our exponent rules. If you watch that Math Antics video, he does explain that. Okay, so make sure you take the time to go back and watch that, because this does follow an exponent rule. All right, number 75. You have 6 to the power of negative 9 squared. Okay, here you're going to multiply the exponents. Keep your base. Negative 9 times 2 is a negative 18. All right, and then the proper way to write this would you actually put it under 1, and then the exponent would become positive. I will accept either way, but as you move up in math, this is the way you're going to write negative exponents. All right, number 76 says 10 to the negative 16 over 10 times 10. Now, if you remember in the video earlier when we taught this lesson, I had you actually separate these out to show what was happening here. Okay, because we realized if we multiplied these together, this is the answer we would get. Okay, but writing it this way, expanding it out, helped us understand what was happening when we switched it. So we're going to flip this fraction because we want the exponents to be positive. Okay, and then 1 times 1 is 1. You keep your base and then you add the exponents together, which gives you 1 over 10 to the power of 26. And that's number 76. Number 77 says 20 to the negative 4 over 20 to the negative 9. Now, when they're both negative, it's easy. You don't have to expand it out and figure it out. That's just mathematically showing you why we can do it. Here, all you're going to do, switch to the top. Okay, the denominator turns into the numerator becomes the denominator, and the exponents are now positive. Keep your base and subtract your exponents. 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, and then number 78 is the last one for this section. You have 43 squared divided by 43 to the power of negative 4. Okay, we're going to write this out. 43 squared over 1 times 1 over 43 to the negative 4. This fraction does not change. We're going to flip this one. And now we can add our exponents and keep our base. Anything over 1 equals itself. And there's the answer. So I'm going to make that 6 a little bit smaller so it doesn't look like 436. All right, and that's your answer for number 78, and that's the end of this video.